Hey guys, welcome back. I'm glad you are here. Welcome back to Self Love Club. And today's video is just a small moment where I'm gonna share my Amazon parcel with you. I'm going to open with you guys what I got it. And it's not something very big or very special, but it's just the small things. I wanted it to order from last 2 weeks, but I'm just dealing it because I thought it's not that special. But finally, I ordered it, and of course, because it was Prime order, so it arrived very fast within 1 day. So now my task is to open this one and show you guys what actually I ordered. So let's do that. And before doing that, I just wanted to ask you, are you doing something special this month for making you feel special for yourself? If not, guys, please do it something for you. Okay, I brought my Caesar. I don't know where it is. It's here. So we have Caesar, we have the box. Let's do the unboxing. It's not much, first of all. It's not anything very special. I told you before also. So I have this Lineage Dreamy Lip Kit, and I just found it cute. I was looking for like a good lip balm which hydrates your lip for like more hours. I was using Vaseline before, but I don't know, I feel like it's not doing something special. Something special as in, first of all, there was no color in it, so I wanted something with the color. And then I just felt bored using Vaseline for so many months now. And you know, it's winter and we are girls, so we always like cute stuff. So, oh wow, actually the packing is bigger but the quantity is smaller. You can see it's like this, but I found it cute. The color is very nice. Okay, let me open all the colors for you. Okay, I thought it's 5, it's just 4. Okay, so I have in 4 colors. It's yellow, some purplish pink, orange and peach color. I don't know, maybe it smells nice or something like that. I don't know, let me check. So there is some flavor smell, but it's not that strong. And I don't know, if I don't like it, I'll just want to return it because it's $30 and just for the small stuff, $30. Do you think it's worth it? I don't know. Okay, so let me keep all this back nicely so that if I don't like it, I'll just return it. I don't know why, but my first impression is not that dreamy about this dreamy lip kit. But it's okay. Okay, what's this? Oh, wow. I didn't knew that I'm gonna get the pillow cover like this, and it's very cute. It's literally cute. It's like a degree. I'm getting my convocation degree, guys. I'm graduated again. Guys, before opening it, it's a Mulberry silk pillowcase. I was looking for original silk for the pillowcase, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I also got to know about that finding the real silk is very hard. It's hard. First of all, it's hard. Second, it's very expensive if you find the real one. So I found this, not actual silk but kind of form of silk, which is called mulberry silk. So, and why I wanted this silk pillowcase because you know, when you are using normal cotton pillowcase or any other stuff, your hair, it just sticks to it, especially in winters, and I'm already facing a lot of hair fall problem. I don't want more, so I just want to reduce it. So I just thought to buy it. So guys, finally from now onwards, I'm gonna use this mulberry silk pillowcase and I'm gonna sleep on it. Finally, it's gonna help me to reduce my hair fall. I think so, I don't know. And it's actually looking so pretty on me now. So guys, this will help me a lot in reducing my hair fall. That's what I think, I don't know. So this is actually pretty and nice and something worth of using. So this one is I'm keeping. I'm not gonna return it back for sure. Especially I'm in love with the packaging, bro. So the second thing is this. I ordered in pink color. Why it's yellow? Did I order it in yellow color? I don't even remember. Okay, so the next step is this twin bed sheet, guys. I always wanted to use some pastel colors for my bed sheet, and that too in silk. This is also in silk, but unfortunately I'm not going to open it, but for sure I'm going to show you when I'm using this one. Not today, but I'll show you. So that's all for today's stuff. That was the parcel, guys. That was the parcel. It's not huge. Yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. Keep loving yourself. Don't forget that you are best person in this world, and don't make others make you feel bad on any topic or any idea or anything, because you're the best. Live your life to the fullest and just enjoy it, because you are here on this planet, on this beautiful world, to enjoy the life, not to feel bad. Bye guys, see you in another video.